In this video, I'm going to be sharing my initial thoughts and maybe a little bit of a review on the Quickjack lift system that I recently purchased. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, and if you haven't been here before, make sure you go back and check out some of my past videos. I've been doing a build on a Mk7 Golf Sportwagen, which a lot of the stuff I've been doing will apply to any of the all-wheel drive models in the MQB platform, and have been having a ton of fun with it. And today I wanted to make just a really quick video talking about, no pun intended, the Quickjack lift system. I recently picked one up, and the main reason being is I have a lot of services that I want to be doing to my car, such as the DSG service, hell deck service, as well as the differential services that all require the car to be raised and sometimes lowered with the DSG service. And it has to be even at all times when doing the fill process to make sure you get the right fill levels and things like that. Which obviously can be done on jack stands, but especially when going up and down, that takes a ton of time, and I am overly cautious when using jack stands, and it takes me even more time when I'm doing that. So I thought this Quickjack system was something I had my eye on for a while, and I thought now would be a great time to pull the trigger on it. Now that I have, I kind of wish I would have done it a long time ago. Here's a quick video of me opening it up, putting it together. So assembly of the Quickjacks is super simple. It's really just installing a few fittings and then connecting all the quick connection points for the hoses, which I really didn't even know was a part of the system. So it's really neat because it'll allow you to connect the system and use it, and once you get the car set up and in a position that you want, you can actually disconnect this, especially if you're going to be leaving the car for a long period of time and want the hoses out of the way. And the final step of the installation process is bleeding the system and getting any air out of the system to make sure the jacks work properly and raise and lower evenly. Now this is just an initial review. I've only been using this product for about a week to a week and a half, but I've done quite a few things with it already, and I love it. It really works well. It instills confidence in me when working under the car, and it saves me a ton of time. When I'm using jack stands, like I mentioned before, I'm overly cautious with them, and you can make fun of me if you want, but it probably takes me about 35 to 45 minutes to get all four corners up. With this, obviously you still need to use quite a bit of caution, but it takes maybe 5 minutes to get the car raised, and once you got everything in the right spot, you can raise it, lower it somewhat on the fly, still using caution, but it's really well done. And I still haven't figured out in my garage where I'm going to store these. Right now they kind of sit on the sides of the car when I pull them in and out. But there are ways you can mount these on the wall, but they are not light. They're, I think, 80 pounds per track, and so far it's been a great improvement to my workflow. My DSG service and hell deck service went really easily because of them, and I get pretty good clearance. I want to say it's probably 19 to like 24 inches. I can actually use a creeper with this, and makes getting in and out from under the car much easier. And the question you're probably asking yourself, should I get this system? I can't tell you for sure. It really depends how much work you're doing on your car and how many cars you plan to use it with. There are different weight capacity systems within the Quickjack family, so it's important that you pick one that will work for as many models of cars as you have or where you see yourself going. I picked up the 5000, which supports 5,000 pound weight capacity. We have a Golf Sportwagen and a Ford Flex, which both weigh under 5,000 pounds as a curb weight. So this one works really well for me. If you're doing lots of services or all the services on your car, yeah, I think it's a great purchase. And My pro tip would be pick it up from Costco. If you have a Costco membership, you can buy it online. It runs about $300 to $400 cheaper than where you can get it anywhere else, or you can wait for a big sale. So I'll update this in the future. Thank you for watching, and in the comments below, let me know what questions you have or things I should test or anything like that. Again, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.